the next presenter and the presentation is a very valuable presentation. Again, it is about member satisfaction. If members are not satisfied with what they do, or maybe the services, maybe attending leadership trainings, or maybe taking in memberships or retentions, everything matters. Therefore, member satisfaction is number one in Lions Club. So the next presentation about member satisfaction, may I invite our mentor, PDG Rajesh Mehra, who is a LCIP graduate, to present the next presenter. PDG Mehra is from Lions District 3121A2 in MD 3231. It's over to you, PDG Mehra.
Thank you, Lan Vajitha. Aibowan. Good evening to all the friends and leaders from MD306. It is my privilege now to present before you District Governor 2013-14 of the District 324D, Lions Sasikumar. He was the multiple district LCIF coordinator from 2014 to 18. He is currently the multiple district digital marketing chairperson for 2021-22. He is an FDI and FDES, the Excellence Series graduate, and he graduated in the year 2017. He's in the business of granite and marbles, and he is also a sporting personality because he played soccer and represented his university team in his college days. So here I present before you a young, active, a very learned district governor of, past governor of 324D, Lions Sasikumar, and he's going to talk to us about member satisfaction. Over to you, Lions Sasikumar.
Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you for your wonderful introduction. Good evening, learned Lions of 306.
Good evening,
Good evening, all. I'm very happy to be with you. See, I'd like to thank my mentor, Rajesh Mehra, co-mentor Monica, then the technical coordinators, Lasanta Pereira, Vijita Chaminda, and the technical coordinator, Jyoti Mehta, and my co-presenter, HN Singh. Before coming to you, I have a good question. I don't know whether it is a good question or a question. Is everyone happy or satisfied with membership in our organization? Can I get an answer? Yes.
Yes, we are happy.
Yes.
Yes, in the chat box.
Yes.
Chat box. I'm not getting a no yeses.
All yes.
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 We have a lot of satisfied members here, except for one no, the rest all are yes.
For that one no, we are going to spend this hours.
Done. Second no. Great. Sasikumar, you are muted. You can start your presentation.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm getting?
Yes, please.
Okay. If right. Sandivek, I'd like to have an introduction to this. What are the key needs of most members to remain a part of your club? What we expect, what the members expect. What are the key needs to remain happy and to be part of your club. Do you got any ideas? Can anyone give a message in the chat box? Getting? No? Okay. Okay, I'll go through it. The key needs what we have got from the international or from our organization or from my experience. They want to, if a member want to remain in the club, he should take pride in the service activities first. He should feel proud to be part of the service activities. And he should be confident that he is making a difference by his participation. And he must also be given the opportunity to know what are the goals of his clubs. The main thing is many people in the club, they are not well informed about the club activities at all. A few silent members, they don't know what is happening in the club. But at that time they lose their interest. All the members should be informed what is happening in the clubs, what is the dues, what is the international program, what is the district programs, what are all happens around the organization. That is, some region meets are going to come, zone meetings, zone advisories are going to come, installations, everything should be informed. The member should come to know from the president, secretary, treasurer, or from the co-member, not from any of the third persons. If he gets a message from his own colleagues, he will be happy. Then the important thing is he should be able to develop friendships within the club. He should be able to develop the friendships, not only the friendship with the members. He should know, each and everyone should know about the member. Most particularly, he should know the family members also. Then only he have a bonding with the members and the club. Then only he will have the sense of belonging with the club and the members. Automatically, when he comes through all these activities, he will not leave the club. He will be satisfied. The main things, whenever a member is there, if I'm going to a club meeting, means I should feel that I'm meeting my friends with happiness. If I am not there, they should search for me. If a member is not attending for 2 or 3 meetings continuously, even the second meeting, we should able to tap him. What happened to you? Are you not well? Where are you? Are you out of town? Something we should show the concern. Then he will be back to form. He will be with us. The second one is you will not come to understand about the organization, or you will not come understand about the members of the district or organization. Automatically, you will have chances of that to leave. If he is there for 5 to 6 years or 7 years, he will come to know about the organization, governor, zone chairman, the friends, and the members, the VIPs whom we are having in the membership. Then definitely he will not leave the organization. For that he should be well informed. That well information should be given by the president, secretary, treasurers, or club officers, or the past presidents. They have to take care. They have to nurture the members. The thing is, let us see the member satisfaction. There are 3 easy steps. Define your club membership satisfaction. Define your club's members needs. What are the member expects from us? Then again, create club membership satisfaction plan, implement and review our plan. These are the 3 easy steps to satisfy a member, to retain a member. What are all that? Let us see that. Define a membership satisfaction plan of your club first would be, Ask your members. Members feel involved when you ask their opinions. Whenever there is a project, whenever there is something we are going to do big, even if you are going for a tour program of the club members, get the opinion of all the members. That is more important. That person should consider only by my opinion, they have taken the decision. Every second, every decision should be followed. You should feel, we should ask, the club officers should ask even the last member, the members are not small or big. Every member should be given a chance, and we should make them to involve and ask their opinions. That opinion matters. If whenever we ask an opinion to him, he feels great. He feels that I am part of this club. I am part of this club. I am one of the responsible person of the club. I have to take care of the club. You will get that, you will get that knowledge, and you will get that strength, and you will get that belongingness. The second one is, assess why your members have left in the past. You should have a postmortem report like that. What made him to leave the club? Everyone will have the reason, but only a few will be left for the reason of the subscription or money part. Most people will be left only because of the misunderstanding or their lack of importance to them. They have not been considered by the club officers or the co-lines members. Whenever we go to our own club meetings, we used to talk with only a 4 to 5 a group, a 5 persons a group, 2-3 groups. It should not be like that. 20 means 20 has to mingle with each other. Then only that. Otherwise, the groupism will start, and one more group will be going ahead, one will be dropping down. Each and every member to be taken care. That we expect. That every member expects that I am the important person. I have to be taken care. That personality development is there. The other is you have to consider devoting time during the club meeting or holding a special meeting to talk about members' satisfaction. You should devote some time. What's happening in the club? What is your problem? Or what is happening in the clubs? What is going to happen? And that chat, everyone has to be given a chance. Our club is moving like this. We are going like this. What next? What to do next? That opinion, then everything has to be taken from each and every member. Then only he will feel pride about our club, and he will be with us. Because if you are not going to take consideration with many people, they will feel that they are left out. Then one more thing is, carefully you have to consider whether your club stated objectives, goals, and mission statement reflect what your current members want your club to be. Many people will be having previous regimes or 10 years back projects or something like that. We'll be stereotypically, we'll be following the same thing. We have to change our needs and to change our programs and projects as per today's need. That is more important. Most of the clubs, what we do is we do the same type of tree plantation, same site of eye camps, something regular. We are not able to give a new look, new dimension to the projects in the current scenario. We have to change to the current scenario. That is more important for that thing one. Second one, step 2, that is create membership satisfaction plan. Member survey. What do you mean by member survey? Member survey. Do you have any idea? Can anyone come in chat box?
No, there are no replies in the chat box.
Okay. What you are going to survey from the members? The thing is, what we have to know from the members is, why are we meeting? how long will the meeting last? This has to be open. This has to be fixed. We should not have a conflict over there. That's a problem. Because with the main thing is, if you are going to conduct a meeting without agenda, these all problems rise. Definitely these problems will rise if you are not with an agenda. If there is a proper agenda, we will not be bothering about the why we are meeting or how long will the meeting last or when are we meeting. Where if there is an important agenda, everyone will come. If we are going to invite any member without an agenda, you will ask all the questions. Why are we meeting? What is the necessity of the meeting? How long the meeting will last? Why can't you put the meeting in that hotel? Or why can't you postpone the meeting? Or why can't you prepone the meeting? What do you accomplish? What do you want to accomplish by the end of the meeting? It all happens when the meeting occurs without an agenda. So our basic thing before preparing for a meeting or before planning for a meeting, we need a proper agenda to conduct the meeting. The thing is not making a difference. Every member feels that he should make a difference to the society. So what he feels is he should not feel that he is not getting enough opportunities to serve the community. The club need not have the types of activities that interesting him. The tasks I was suggested didn't match my interests or skills. What does it mean that? There are not enough opportunities. I am ready to serve this community. My community, I am ready to serve the society. I am ready to be part of our organization, part of our club. I am ready to devote my time, energy, and everything to the club. But the club officer is not utilizing me properly. The officer's problem is not identified the right person for the right job. Otherwise, what happens is one may be skillful in one of the areas, but the officer in charge delegating him to some other part, which is not of his interest or which is not his lack of experience. That has to be taken care. You should know before designating a proper work to anyone, the officer should know what about his capability. Is he capable of doing that? If he's designating for a wrong person, the entire program fails. But the thing is, he might feel the what he has assigned to me does not match my interests or skills. So automatically he lays down. He will not come up with his ideas or interest. He will not come up with these to support the organization. There also, he drops down. His interest drops down. So I am not perfect. I will not fit into this club or organization. He himself self-assesses and lack of interest goes. Again, his interest drops from there. The again is when the people don't have a sense of belonging. Anywhere in almost many clubs it happens. Sense of belonging. Why means the club should be very political. If it is very political, then again the silent member will not come out. Something is happening which will not interest in political scenarios. Because already I am facing many political situations outside. I want a peaceful life, or I want to serve the community with happiness. There is too much political over here. I don't want to be part of this political. There arises a conflict. Then one more thing is this club is old-fashioned because we might be following about old ethics. Some 20 years back, this club would have started. By that time, we would have fixed some agenda, some programs from 20 years back. It was programmed on that day's basis, that day's needs. As of today, that has to be changed. But without changing it, we are bluntly following the some 10 years, 20 years old ideologies, old programs, something like that has to be changed. When the people are coming, when the youngsters are coming, they want more, workload, and they're more imaginative. They like to do something more prospective things on. They don't want to stick on to the world customs. The leadership might changed, but we are not changed. Again, the leaders follow the same thing what we have done. The one more thing is the club is too hierarchical and formal. This also will not help. In the present situation, we are the formal or we are hierarchical. The people, we don't go with that. We need some change. We seem the casual. The Lions clubs are nowadays. Lions clubs also we expect more casual. We to moving with the president or a governor or a vice governor. We cannot strictly say that I am governor, I will not talk to you. I am a president, I am not talk to you. That's not a problem. We have to be in friendly and natural with our. There were not enough opportunities to socialize. He feels that I am not getting enough opportunities to socialize. Then also he loses his sense of belonging. And see, one more thing is, the main thing is the person who is not unappreciated. He might be doing many things. The club for a while and begin unappreciated. There also he feels that, see how many projects I've done, how much money I've been donated to this club, but no one recognizes me. No one appreciates me. There also starts this sense of belonging. He loses the interest. Then I did not connect with the other members. I could not, or they could not. The thing is, we are going separate. We are not close to each other. That is also a problem for not sense of belonging. I felt that he might feel that his voice is unheard. Nobody listens to him. He might be having some new ideas, some new concepts. He want to do something to the society, but the president, secretary, treasurers, or some people, they don't consider him. He might be having some good ideas. He might be interested in doing something great to the society, but when his voice is not heard, again, there is a problem. The people will not have a sense of belonging to the club. This all has to be changed. Then only the next thing will happen. Let us see. We are all till now we saw that what happens, the sense of belonging, conflict, political reasons. Okay, how to communicate and bring them into the forum. Communicate your membership. What are the ways to communicate now? We have got many things. Communication is the most important thing in any organization or in any family or in a day-to-day life. Communication is the most important. Communication, what are the ways and means of communication in our organization or in the world, entire world, which has to be used in day-to-day life? Without using communication properly, we might be failing in everything. See, even in this pandemic situation also, I am from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. You are sitting in Sri Lanka. We just like that, we are sitting and chatting. We are giving a presentation. This presentation goes through Tisami in the same time, It is all for communication, means of communication, which has developed a lot. This communication, what are the communication? We have got the best tool in this world. Our Lions organization has got the best tool. That is the My Line app. How many of them have using My Line app? Yes. Can I see some chat box? Yes, in the chat box. Super. Urmila, Kajan, Shantanu, 306B1. That much. Only 4 I have got. Okay, no issues. This tool allows you to communicate with members in your club and is available in both phone app and as well as in web version. It also allows you to manage club activities. This app, if you are going to use, you can, that this Lionistic world is in your hands, in your palm. You can see what is happening in India. I can see what is happening in Sri Lanka. It is one of the beautiful tools designed by our organization. My only request is everyone start using this MyLine. If you are a member, if you want to know what is happening in and around the Lioness organization, you should try this. This is the biggest tool which has given a lot of scope to our organization, which has given you will feel that that sense of belongingness will start when you use the MyLine app. That much sure I am. We have got that much messages in there. You can see the entire service projects, what is happening in this. Even you can see in MyLine app, if you got you have to be your membership number is enough to go get into that. Then again, we have got many social medias to communicate with your members, emails, social media, WhatsApp. I do feel that every club will be having a WhatsApp group. Hope so. It should be, because that is the most powerful tool nowadays for the meeting agendas or meeting, calling of the meeting also. My club stopped sending notices to this. Only we use WhatsApp. Our entire notices, regular meeting notices, then agenda, then service projects, we all completely our club is using WhatsApp only. Our club is a 48 years club. Only the next 2 years it is going to be 50 years. We are going to celebrate that also. We have an old people also, old in the sense, but the charter members also, a few members are there. But they have also started using that WhatsApp and everything. We got social invitation sites, events and activities, financial sites dues. Everything is there. You must educate your members to use that also. The other one is dealing with resistance. Dealing with resistance. Why clearly explain the reasons for the proposed changes. If you are going to give some changes, if you are going to do changes in your activities or in your programs or in your club style of functioning, you should give the reasons, clearly explain what your members can expect to see happen. Because of the changes, what you can see. You should realize that even when you have a definite starting point for any proposed changes, that proposed change has to be done from the ruling PSTs. And also you must be clear, outline what to expect the result to be. When they're dealing with the resistance, once the process is begun, you must clearly explain the reasons for the proposed changes, explain what your members can expect to see happen, what is the end result. That you took it is almost a concept. You should be clear in your concept to give that and to break that. Once the process has begun, encourage your members to give feedback on the changes, respond to the feedback that you receive. This is more important. Encourage your members. It is more important to get the feedback than to give the responses. Responses is more important. Responses is the respect you are going to give that. For every feedback, it is better to respond to every feedback. You should respond to every feedback. That is the biggest leadership skill. You respond. Then again, based on the responses, based on the feedback, you must be flexible to make adjustments. You should not be rigid. The club officers at any time should not be rigid. You should be flexible to make adjustment in the process if they do not provide the expected results to be. Make changes over time. Making changes too quickly may be difficult for members to accept. Take time to change. Immediately don't change anything. Change according to the needs and be slow. Let the members understand what is happening. You should adapt to the changes. Only when he is adapting the changes, he will be with us. Otherwise, he will not follow us. It is very tough to be with us. This you have to implement in a sacred and in a slow pace only. We cannot hurry up with this. Ongoing implementation. Ongoing implementation. These are the four columns we have to implement this one. First one is ongoing service projects. Service projects is more important. Ours is a service organization. Number one service organization in the world. We people also are behind the service projects only. In these service projects, we would consider retiring the community service. We should consider retiring the current service activity. We should consider adding this type of service activity. There are two things. See, some community projects, current service activities we might be doing for the sake of doing, for the sake of the previous regime doing, we are continuing that project. It will not reach the people. It is not the need of the hour. But even though we will be following bluntly, we have to consider adding this type of service, consider new type of service projects. What is the need of the hour? What is necessary for the people? What is the need of that? What is the mileage we will be getting out of? We should not follow bluntly that my previous regime has done. Some 10 years back we were doing that. Some 2 years back they were expecting this from us. So we are doing. That is not the cause. We have to change our attitude towards the service activities also. We should not flaunt bluntly. Because see, because all the experiments only, international also gives hopes. Many service projects like that. They do serve many research and this they used to give. They also changes. Accordingly, we have also to change the service projects according to the needs of our community, our area, our country, our town or something like that. That has to be changed. Then again, next coming for this to implement is club meetings. We should discontinue the following traditions at club meetings. We should include more of this at club meetings. We should consider the following changes at our club location. We should consider the following changes to our meeting format. We should discontinue the following traditions at club meetings. Many clubs will be having a traditional meeting, but this will not suit at the present level. We should try to change that traditional method. You see, we've already almost come to a June platform now. For the last 1 year, we didn't have a physical meeting as well. We were all meeting in the online only. Accordingly, that we have to change the the traditions of these club meetings. We should include more of this at club meetings, more agendas, more innovative ideas, more innovative thoughts, more projects. We have to discuss with the more ideas, because in the daily basis we come across many problems. We are in need of, our lions are in need for many people. For the community, they are expecting us to be with them. Then again, we consider following changes to our meeting locations also. But locations also, we expect some advanced or hi-fi places nowadays, because we might be following in the world hotels or something in the house of some of the farmhouses, something like that. That is a traditional method of them. According to today, if the members are interested in changing the location also, we should consider that also. We should not stick on to that. Only we will be putting our message meetings here only. We will not change our location. That is not correct. We should try to change the locations as per the needs of the members. Following changes to meeting format also. Timing, allocation, timing, then it all depends. Maybe we might be, most probably we are having a dinner meet. If everyone goes to work or the dinner meet doesn't set such, so we can go for a Sunday luncheon meeting. If possible, if everyone is interested, we can go for a breakfast meeting also. These are all the changes they expect. We should not stick on to only by 7 o'clock we can meet. This is not, we are not in that position now, because members' happiness only we have to take part, we have to take note of it, and we have to change according to that also. That will keep the members also happy. Then again, but we could see means other ideas. What are the other ideas? We got a lot of ideas. Use these areas to suggest other ideas such as recognition, communication, or other areas that members identified as a barrier of having great experience. Other ideas is the thing is recognition. Everyone expects a recognition. Even a son or a daughter or a dad. Even if my son is going to get a good mark, since he expects some recognition, good. Then only he jump on to the next level. If you are not recognizing any other of his ideas or something like that, our main motto of the Lions itself is prize liberally. We have to recognize. We have to communicate to him that all the things we will keep the members happy. He will be traveling with us. That we should insist on that. Every action, whatever it does, you should recognize him, you should communicate him, you should praise him. That is that. Then again, there is a timeline. Most important, we should include review time to ensure that changes are effective. Whatever the changes you have made into your club, the change of location, change of agenda, that we see in the next meeting, we will discuss about our agenda. In the next quarter, we will achieve these goals. In the next year, we will achieve this fundraising project. We must have some goals. In that goal setting also, that members all the members should be included. They should feel part of that changes. What are all the changes happening? He should be part of that change also. He should feel that I am part of the change. I am the person who have initiated it. I have given my opinion about that change. You should feel that. Then only he will come out with new ideas, and he will be coming with us also. He will be satisfied with that. Next is the most important thing. For the ongoing implementation, we have got two things. This can be taken for our international website itself. That is new member questionnaire and former member questionnaire and membership satisfaction action plan. Let us see what is new member questionnaire. New member questionnaire is, why did you join our Lions Club? In the new member questionnaire, you just try to memorize it. If you can note down, otherwise it memorize it. New member questionnaire is, you have got in this international website item. Just you put a word, just you go through this. Why did you join our Lions Club? This is a question. I am giving a few questions. These questions can be asked to your new member, which if he is giving a right answer, it is okay. Satisfied answer is okay. If he is not aware of the organization or something, you can seek the answer. You can give him a better answer, or you can educate him. That is, why did you join our Lions Club? Basic question. He should know. Each and every member who is joining the Lions Club, he should know why he has been part of this Lions Club. Many people come without any reason also. For the membership, for the growth of membership, we used to catch a few people also without any reason. You come here, I am here, you be with me. Don't do like that. Just educate him, bring him, just educate him. You just ask him, why did you join our Lions Clubs? What are you looking for in your involvement in our club? In what way you can be involved? What personal skills do you have that might be an asset to our club? He might be having some personal skills that might be an asset. He might be singing, dancing, something. He might be a good artist, a good orator, something like. His skills has to be recognized. His skills has to be recognized. Main thing. Then he will be asset of our club. We can take him to the region meet. We can take him to the zone meet. We can proudly say, my member has got this skills we can use for that. He is a good musician, he is a good singer, something like that. That skill has to be identified, and we have to identify and to recognize him. What club activities would he likes to be involved in? He might be ready to donate blood. He might be ready for anything, for some programs which might be interested in him. That club activities we should know from him, and he should be adopted in that committees. Then he might be having some ideas also. What ideas do he has to improve our club experience? See, even a new member who is coming into this organization, he will come with the new ideas. If we are going to be, if we 10 or 15 people sitting together, we will be discussing the same subject with the same words. We will not find any changes. If a new member, a new person comes into that group, he will put some new words, new ideas, new concept. That new ideas and concept has to be taken from that person. That will be more useful to us. We will have a better look. We will have a new beginning to our club. Then again, what ideas he should be having for the service project that we are not currently involved in. We might be doing some regular service projects, but he might be he'll be coming out with some good projects, some novel ideas. He should come across with a good place to serve, a good community to serve, orphanage, old age home, something like that. He might be finding it a good person, because we are all in the same, we will be traveling in the same path. We will not change our ideas immediately. It will take time. When a new person comes and gives a new idea, that might be interesting to us. We might be interested in that. We might also change. The entire look of the club might be changed. It will not be stereotyped. It will change. That also will attract more. That also can be recognized. That one more part, main part is the person who has left our club, former member. What are the questions to be asked to him? Main basic question. 1. Why did you leave our Lions Club? Try to find it out. Most important. Very most important. Why? How long were you a member of our Lions Club? Know his history. Did you leave our club or Lions as an organization? Were you given an opportunity to transfer to another club to remain a Lion? You should know his background. You should know the history, why he has left the club. Is he left of his own interest, or he has got transferred to some other clubs because of our not interested, because of our non-performance of our club? Why he is not interested? Why he has left our club? That we should know the basic thing. What club service was most important to you? Why? What club service projects was least important? Most important and least important. What changes in a club would have encouraged you to remain a member? Try to get this. He might be giving, he should have some bitter experience. That bitter experience, we have to collect it from you. What made you to leave this club? You just get that. If he answers, if we're getting a proper, if we're getting
2 minutes, sir.
Yes,
Last
sir.
2 minutes.
Yes, sir. If you're getting a proper response from him, then accordingly we can change our views and ideas to run our club. Then what activities would you like our most clubs involved in? What ideas do you have to improve? Get his opinion also. Any of you left, what suggestions you give to improve our club activities? The last and least thing is, would you consider rejoining this club after rectifying all this? We will try to rectify we will try to improve our activities. Would you like to rejoin our club? That is the most important club for a former member. The thing is, member satisfaction. It's only 2 minutes. You have to encourage, include all the members in our committees and organization. Another thing is you should price liberally. The other thing is you have to maintain some age balance. That is more important. Then again, gather feedback from club members. You have to get feedback from all the members for every meeting. Feedback, it doesn't mean that you have to get a form like that. You just hear, how was the meeting? How was my speech? What interested? What made you to interest? Or didn't like anything in this meeting? You should get the feedback. According to the feedback, you have to respond to in the next meeting. Keep members informed about the projects and activities. Each and every project, each and every member should know that each and every project of your club. Plan social events to bring members closer together, a family get together, family social outings that will give a more bonding of it. Integrate new members on teams with long-term members. All the new members should be accommodated in all the committees. That is more important. Promote leadership opportunities. You have to create leaders. The club officers should create leaders, not only the club officers. Each and everyone should try to create leaders. This will be happy. The members will feel happy. I think my time is over. I'll close this. Before that, I got a question and answer session also is there. Rajesh, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. I'm very much there. And I would really like to congratulate you in a very simple language, elaborately. I think you have stressed the importance that this organization cannot survive without satisfied members. And there are a few comments. Your presentation touched wide area. Your presentation touched wide area of membership growth, retention, and satisfaction. Very important information. Excellent presentation, which I heard in my Lion career. Amazing. RC Vajira Tilakumara. I apologize if I'm mispronouncing any names. And there is one important point. If the member having membership dues issues, how we can overcome this situation? There is a question they've asked. If you would like to answer, if the members having membership dues issue, I think you clarified earlier that other than membership issues, this is what this presentation was about. Membership dues issues, I think individually at a club level, or would you like to suggest something, sir?
See, it is $1 million question.
Yeah.
Everywhere we face the problem. If there is a 50 members in a club, means a few, 1 or 2 are like that. Only we should have enough patience to collect money from them. I think that because ours is a service organization, we cannot we cannot force anyone to get it. We should know what is happening in our club. We are doing service. We are donating this much amount. We are serving the people. You should realize that what he gives goes to the service projects. That is the only way you should realize that person. You should make him realize.
Okay, sir. So you are trying to say that we are here to serve the community and not to serve the lions. I mean, if you are a lion member, you should be capable to serve others. Otherwise, we apologize. You may not be a part of our organization.
Yes.
Okay. Any other questions, sir? I would put it forward to Lion Sasikumarji for your replies. If you have any questions, kindly do put it in the chat box. We have about 3 minutes now. No, 2 minutes, sorry, because then I have to hand over to Lasanta sir and Vajita sir. Any questions, please? Yes, thank you for all the compliments, but I would request to any questions. Last